It's a bad man thing.
Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new video and I will show you a very simple way of tinting your lace frontals and closure without bleaching. And this method is so simple and effective that you won't ever think of bleaching your frontals again. And the hair we're using today is from Beauty Forever hair. I'm going very short with the inches this time because of the hot weather outside, and I have 4 bundles of Beauty Forever Malaysian curly hair in 12 inches and a 12-inch matching lace frontal. I'm obsessed with the shine and curl pattern on this hair, you guys. It's so pretty, and the frontal is looking like a snack already. Like, it's very well constructed, already plucked and ready to wear. But of course we need to tint the lace to make it match my scalp and blend in with my skin tone.
So no delay, by the end of the day she be wanting more.
Alright, so this method is a lifesaver. You don't need that stress of mixing your powder lightener, cream developer, applying, having to monitor the frontal to make sure it doesn't over bleach. Girl, we're past that. So for this, all we need is Sally Hansen airbrush legs, a foil paper to make sure the spray doesn't transfer to the hair. You have to make sure the spray matches your skin tone. So I have 2 bottles of the spray, but I decided to test the light color first to make sure it matches before going ahead to spray the hair, and it does. And for this one I'm using the shade in medium glow. So here, all you need is to take the spray about 2 inches away from the hair and begin spraying generously. Once I spray the first part, I go in with my makeup brush and blend it in. I love doing it in sections, or you can simply just spray everything at once. I'm taking my time to explain because I'm filming, but this literally takes me a minute to do. Yes guys, this is what we have here. Amazing. And this is just less stress and it blends in perfectly with my skin tone. Okay, so the next thing we'll do to make sure we lock the spray in and it doesn't transfer is to use got to be glued free spray. You simply have to spray it all over the lace of the frontal and then go in with a hand dryer. Make sure you use it in low or high cool. Cool the glue for about 1 minute, reapply the glue and cool again. Our frontal is ready for use, you guys. I'm just so happy for this method. Look how natural it makes my frontal look. I'm impressed, and I'm opening up every side so you guys can see how well blended the lace looks. I'm quickly going to go ahead and construct the wig. You all have seen me make a wig so many times, so this is not a detailed wig making tutorial. But if you want to see me make a wig, I will leave a card above here so you can go check it out after watching this video. I think I ended up using just 2 bundles of the hair and the frontal because the wefts was very long, which is a good thing. You don't need up to 4 bundles to make this wig. And you know, the longer the length of a hair, the shorter the wefts, but the shorter the length of a hair, the longer the wefts. So since this one is 12 inches, it comes with a lot of hair. I'm all done making the wig, and I must say this is one of the best hair I've worked with in a while because I work with a lot of hair companies and I know a good hair when I see one. I'm literally obsessed with the frontal, the curls, the wefts, everything, and the wig making process was easy peasy. I'm gonna go on and cut off the wig cap covering the lace from the frontal, and also I'll go on and cut off the excess lace from the frontal. And basically guys, that is all there is to this video, loves. Definitely let me know what you think about this method of tinting your frontal and closure without using powder lightener or cream developer. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please check out my description box for info on this hair, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. And please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.
She a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. Wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In the place, see the girl them know.